everybody, it's me, the Roblox Freak, and today, oh yeah, I like my hat. Anyways, today, guess what we're doing? We are making an oven. Yeah, we're good. Just waiting for it to melt. Right now, so should have already. Sorry, how is it? Let's read this sign. I've read it before, and I've been here for only 5 weeks. Lake Biggins, formed in 1924 when Huntington Park was established. This lake was popularly known as Lake Biggins by action of the Newport News City Council, May 14, 1979. The lake became officially named to honor this dedicated public servant, Joseph Charles Biggins, 1898 through 1978. City manager, City Newport News, 1925 and 1926. 1925 to 1965. Newport News Historical Committee, 1979. See if it's ready. I'm beginning to be impatient. Should be. Yeah, it's actually melting. Be right back. I'll get you guys once it's melted. It's almost done. Look at it. Is that an ant in here? Maybe. The waiting game is.
You go off from the inspection, but they don't usually take.
Yeah, it is an ant. A couple ants. Ants in here. Killed a couple ants, and that is it. Keep the ants away from the food. Also need to make that food ant proof, so put like electrical tape on the outside. On the stick, maybe. Oh, what's that on the stick? It's gross. So in about 4 minutes, we'll do it. That'll eat it. Hey, you guys, get me an HD camera, please. It's like more, it's like right here. Oh, that's hot inside.
Jump one, you mind if I take it? Go ahead. Once the kayak just move around. Look, a couple more coming. There's another one right behind it. Set it down there a little lower around.
The British are coming.
You get that picture? Send you a picture of a tripod boat trailer. Did you do the boat? I want to do it with you. I got a boat from it in.
2 more minutes. Let us teleport to the future. 1 second. Boop. Boop. Let's try that. Boop. Boop. Okay. Into the future. Okay. Alright. I got it.
Yeah, get there. We'll take him out. I'll be right over, okay?
Okay.
All right, gentlemen. Thank you. You have a nice day of it. You too.
So perfect.
Sticky. And
How does it taste?
like warm watermelon.
No, Dad, put your hand in here.
Yeah.
No, put your hand in it.
A lot of heat in there.
Yeah, feel.
Yeah.
So it works. Well, next time we're gonna try a pizza box. Okay, everybody, that's it for this video. Next time I'll do another experiment with another solar oven, but with a pizza box instead of shoebox. Have a great day.